Meta's smart glasses are getting smarter, more capable, and harder to ignore. But how different are the generations, and which Meta glasses are actually worth considering in 2026? Unlike traditional smart glasses, Meta's approach is surprisingly simple. Instead of putting a huge display in front of your eyes, the glasses focus on cameras, audio, microphones, AI, and hands-free interaction. And that's what makes them interesting. They look much closer to normal Ray-Ban style glasses than the futuristic gadgets we usually imagine when we hear the word smart glasses. Generation 1 established the basic idea: a camera on your face, open-ear audio, microphones, phone connectivity, and hands-free access to Meta's ecosystem. Then came the next generation, improving the overall experience and making the glasses more practical for everyday use. And now Gen 3 is the generation everyone is watching. The important question isn't simply whether it's newer. It's whether the improvements are significant enough to justify choosing it over the previous models. Let's start with design. One of Meta's biggest advantages is that these glasses don't immediately scream technology. They can look like regular eyewear, which makes them much easier to wear in public. Across generations, the basic philosophy remains the same: keep the technology discreet while putting the important hardware directly into the frame. Then there's the camera, probably the feature that gets the most attention. Instead of reaching for your smartphone, you can capture moments directly from your point of view. That changes the way you record. You're not holding a phone in front of the action. You're simply looking at something and capturing it naturally. Video quality is therefore extremely important. Newer generations aim to make those recordings clearer, more useful, and more natural to watch. But there's another advantage: perspective. Because the camera sits where you're looking, the footage can feel much more immersive than ordinary handheld recording. The glasses aren't just cameras, though. Audio is a major part of the experience. Open-ear speakers let you listen to music, calls, and other audio while still remaining aware of your surroundings. Multiple microphones also make voice interaction possible. You can speak naturally to the glasses without constantly taking your phone out of your pocket. And this is where Meta's AI ambitions become especially interesting. Instead of simply recording what you see, the glasses can become an interface for asking questions and getting information while you're on the move. Imagine looking at something unfamiliar and asking what it is, translating information, or getting assistance without stopping to search manually on your phone. But here's an important distinction: Meta's smart glasses should not automatically be confused with traditional augmented reality glasses. The experience is primarily built around audio, cameras, AI, and your connected phone rather than a conventional screen constantly floating in front of your eyes. Interaction is designed to be simple. You can use voice commands, physical controls on the frame, and your connected smartphone to manage different functions. That smartphone connection is important because the glasses aren't designed to replace your phone completely. Instead, they extend what your phone and connected services can do. Battery life is another consideration. Cameras, microphones, speakers, wireless connectivity, and AI all require power, so how you use the glasses can have a major impact on how often you need to recharge. Then comes the biggest buying question: price. Gen 1 can be attractive if you find a good deal. Gen 2 makes more sense for people who want newer capabilities, while Gen 3 needs to justify its position with meaningful improvements. So, who are Meta glasses really for? They're especially interesting for creators, travelers, people who want hands-free photography, and anyone curious about AI-powered wearable technology. Ultimately, Meta glasses aren't trying to replace your smartphone or turn your vision into a video game. They're doing something simpler, putting a camera, speakers, microphones, and AI closer to you. And if that trend continues, smart glasses could become one of the most important wearable technologies of the next few years.